Hello everyone. So basically, we launched ANORA AI, and we currently have affiliate program. You can earn like 20% from each sale you made. Let's assume you have 1K users and 100 of them you invited, and then they bought $19 per month, and you can earn like 20%, which means like $3.8 from one, and becomes like uh, 3,800 from 100 users. Yep. There is affiliate link, for example. Now I will explain how you can generate the one. Just go to anoraai.xyz and click sign in with Google, and from there and this is your dashboard. Click on your account here, and then click on account. You can see the referral. For example, mine is Ibrahim. You can change it to different name, like for example your name is John Joy, and just save it. Now just copy this link and share with others. So if others click this link, let's assume this, click this link and sign in or sign up for ANORA AI, and then buy like any of the plans here, you will earn 20%. It's pretty much cool. So yeah, we have also Telegram bot for like easier way to get the affiliate link. So basically just click connect from here and place your Google account, for example the sign in with ANORA AI, this account, and then you can just find like for example your link, just copy easier way, or you can just see your stats on Telegram bot. You can see your referrals, like how many percent of them converted, how many of them like just signed up, and etc. Yeah, we have Telegram bot, the ANORA affiliate marketing bot.